everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be making Ayote and Dulce. This is a candied butternut squash recipe and it's perfect for this time of year, which is autumn, because of all the delicious spices. And it's very quick and easy to prepare. Let me show you how. Let's get started. To start this recipe, I have here 2 butternut squash. I'm going to be cutting them in half and I want to remove a few of the seeds that are inside. These winter squash have a sweet and nutty taste. The deeper orange in color they are, the richer they will taste, very similar to pumpkin. You want to leave the skin on. This is going to be adding to the taste. And once these are roughly chopped into cubes or slices, I'm going to be adding them to my pot. To infuse into all of this squash, I'm going to be adding 3/4 cups of sugar, along with 1/2 teaspoon of whole allspice, and 2 cinnamon sticks. Now you could probably imagine how nice your house is going to smell once this starts to simmer. I'm going to be adding about 3 cups of water to the pot. This butternut squash releases a ton of water, so you only want to fill it about 1/4 way full. I'm going to cover this and allow it to simmer for about 30 minutes until the squash is slightly softened. Now after about 30 minutes, give it a good mix so that all the flavors go into the top part of the butternut squash. And then I'm going to be adding this Rapadura, which is a very rich tasting unrefined cane sugar. This is much stronger than brown sugar. It's very different actually. It's made from the concentrated juice of the sugar cane. You could find this in the Latin section of your supermarkets. Now place this into the pot so that it's slightly touching the water on the bottom, and cover this and allow it to simmer for about 1 hour. Once the deep dark color has penetrated into the butternut squash, your Ayote and Dulce is ready. Enjoy this sweet with a cup of coffee. Its rich flesh will taste similar to eating a piece of cake. It's just heavenly. Eat this warm or cold. The flavor just gets deeper and more delicious as it sits. And please don't forget that all the ingredients are listed down below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes which are uploaded every other day. Thanks so much for watching.